Asan na ba? Umagang na ba? Ayan. Ito po, may client po ako dito eh. May issue po sa tuhod. Pag nagdala siya ng badminton, talagang bumibigay na yung tuhod. Pag check ko po, meron din po palang ibang mga weak na muscle po siya sa parte ng katawan. Siya na po magpapaliwanag.
Yeah, first, my knee was like shivering, and then after the session, it's like I can now stretch it and I can just it's not longer shivering or not longer shaking, and it feels like my joints are more loose. And my motor functions is more like balanced and
May gusto kami na mabako na sa taga-Jeddah na ako isang professional na at magaling na manghihilot.
yeah, I definitely recommend. And if you really need to check yourself or you need to get checked and need to get corrected or balanced, then contact this guy.
Okay po, ganoon na lang po. God bless po. Okay na po siya. Okay
Thank you.
na, okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.